Hey guys, Ray from Love You RV and Boat. So just an update on this Titan fan. I installed it in the RV back in the winter and we used it several months, and I said I'd come back with a little bit of a review update for it. You can see now I have it installed in the boat. Now in the RV I had it right above our bed just like this, and Anne just loved it. She kind of gets hot at night often and wants to use a fan. She was using a little portable fan, battery operated thing, but this with the remote, she can just have it in bed and she can dial in whatever speed she wants, and also she can put a timer on it so she can set it and it'll turn off by itself. So it was such a hit, I wanted to install it in the boat. It's hard to find places in the boat here. We're pretty small. There's a computer monitor TV over here, and that's quite a distance to blow. And sideways, it was kind of odd over there. So I found a spot right up near the ceiling and also close to a power source. Now what I've done is I've wired it into this light, this little LED reading light above the bed, and it has a switch on it. So that meant there was constant power here that I could get into. Previously they had put in this little piece of trim which hides the wires to the light. So all I had to do is pull that trim off and run a power wire down. So this thing came with a 12-volt receptacle, power outlet receptacle, kind of cigarette lighter socket deal, and also a plug to go into AC power, but also included a 3-meter extension cable. So I sacrificed that and cut it, and there was a red and black wire in there. There was positive 12 volts, negative. Went in here and connected into the light power, so it kind of hides it quite nicely. Also, I can take it back to the RV. It has magnets on the back, but I decided not to use magnets in this case. I just put some brass screws up here, so it's basically just hanging there right now. And when we go back to the RV, I can just move it back into the RV. Anyway, I'll just give you a quick demo of it. So it does have a control panel on there that you can adjust things, but the remote is a lot more convenient. So just turn her on. Oops, upside down. There we go. So speed 1 just gives kind of a gentle breeze, and then I can increase it as I go. Fine. Speed 3 is nice, so you get a nice breeze right down on you. She likes to sit up and read at night, so it's just about perfect for that. Like I say, she just loves this fan. She was a little skeptical when I installed it at first in the bedroom of the RV, but soon enough she just loved it. It gets a little noisy at the higher speeds. It's got kind of a tubular kind of squirrel cage type fan in there. So when you get really high, it does blow a lot of air, but yeah, you wouldn't want to have that too long. I do find it nice right about there. And then you can switch it to timer mode, and you have a selection of different timer settings that you can use. And go back to fan mode. Anyway, I just thought I'd give you an update as it's been a big hit with Anne. Till next time, Ray from Love You RV and Boat. Cheers, guys.